this is Billy. Previous lecture I started with the sidebar Databricks. Before we begin with, if you see the search workspace, whatever you click this, it will be kind of annoying. So just click the search for this, remove this noise. So here, like this, click the search, it's showing. If you click again, search just disappear. So don't forget this. So I'm going to click the compute to start with one cluster in this Databricks. Please create the compute, because if not using the compute, no longer to using the cluster workspace or new notebook and table experiments too. Going back to the compute, start by click the create compute. Here's the instance space. There's a Spark space. There's an instance. This is for free to the 15 GB memory as a community editions user. So you are the user. Also, your user community editor user. Your compute will automatically terminate after the idle period of 1 or 2 hours. So I have a computer names, and I have a Databricks runtime versions 12.12 LT, or the last version is 15.4 LTS, the Scala 2.12 and Spark 3.50. You can using each LTE 12.2 or 15.4. So I'm switching the 15.4. If you have any other noise to work, and you just clicked another notebook runtime version like 12.2.LTS. So I'm using the 15.4. So computer name is Billy Lee's the cluster. So that means you can use whatever you want. Put the computer name. So I'm put the name NeuaVenue cluster. Once you click the Spark, the space configurates like this. You can enter your Spark configuration to fine-tune the Spark job performance. Provides only one key value pair per line. The key and value must be separated by space. So if you would touch the Spark configuration, you guys another one. So Spark configuration is going like this. You see there are a lot of bunch of the you can use this. So I'm going back to my NeuaVenue cluster. So I'm just using the default configuration. So here's the environment value. You can click and then using that one. But I just clicked create compute. So it's one instance, it will be come up. So I click this, it will be load. Then I've just made a cluster. So doing like this, or you can click the new, and then here's a cluster. It's going like this same page you are looking for, and it will be show up. This is one process to start the compute system in actually as my NeuaVenue cluster. So during that times, I click the configurations, and to using the instance is auto joined and Spark JDBC, or if you want to know that ODBC, you can use the JDBC if you are a Java developer. So here is like the JDBC URL. You be using the notebook to work out and in your cluster. If you have a library, you just put it here in new or event log Spark UI. Oops, it says the Spark UI is not available for clusters in the pending state. The computer is a pending state. Don't worry about it, maybe go back. The driver logs and driver logs to compute this is not accessible. Databricks websites, the in-cluster computing system is working. It will start back. And then Spark Compute UI. Oops, the same thing. I'll be right back. But don't forget, don't click the terminate. That means I'm gonna close the cluster while you are start up the cluster. So if you stop it, just click it, terminate, but otherwise don't. And here is a more. You see the Vue.js JSON, and you can clone the cluster, or you can delete your cluster.